still in this fun spot.
Well, I guess I can bring your cord that you bought for it when I come over.
What was wrong with it?
It was charging. Yeah, it was charging slow.
Which I guess more than anything, I just mean that I need to buy a charger. What's cord?
Yeah.
Is it that hard to get a charger for mine? It was, wasn't it?
Well, I guess. I don't know.
We'll see. I honestly don't want to spend any extra money on it. So, with the cruise coming up and all of us needing stuff to do.
So going through Licking, they have all these nice trees. Like, it's beautiful. Like they're the tall trees, skinny.
Oh.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
We go get Mommy's blanket. Annie slept with me last night.
Yeah.
And that bed, especially in the winter. I really don't want this when I want to buy, but okay. Go complain. That bed is uncomfortable, especially in the winter.
It's uncomfortable?
And, very comfortable.
Very, yeah.
But so normally she would roll over and kick me at night, no matter how big the bed is. She stayed on her side all night.
It was like a glass of wine, huh? Like they do in the commercials, like they jump up and down, does to shake it. Like you, did you notice her?
No, and I even got a few times. She didn't notice me.
Whoa!
What are you doing?
A big log, holy crap. A big trucker with logs just pulled out in front of me.
No way.
Yeah, like Final Destination.
Wow. Alright, well maybe you need to be safe. Get off the phone.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Holy crap.
Do you like not see you there?
I don't know. Yeah.
He didn't care?
He didn't care. He's like, go ahead and make my day. Go ahead.
My truck's bigger than yours.
Holy crap.
When you do come over, I think I have a few things that I want you to bring.
Okay. You should message me then.
Message them?
Yeah.
Well, one of them I can. One of them I was going to ask you over the phone.
Okay.
I was wondering if you'd bring me a little tidbit.
What?
Of my stuff.
Oh, where's it at? In the box?
In the little baby food jar. Not the big one, the little one. It's got a baggie. I don't care which baggie you grab from.
Okay. I put the money, I had to lift it up. I didn't trust the mice. Whatever, they're eating something in the corner. They made a big mess in our closet. It's just like they ate the drywall. They just left crumbs everywhere.
And Mom doesn't even believe me that we have money. Or that bad.
Oh.
Because her comment was, well, I haven't seen any mouse food downstairs. Oh, the one here has sweet tooth. It's like chocolate. It ate through one of the hot chocolate packets left on the counter.
Yeah.
We need to get some more traps and put it home though, or do something.
Right. Do the bucket.
I don't think I have.
Do the little bucket.
I don't think I have a bucket, but Dad might have one outside, a little round bucket. It has to be deep enough that they can't jump out of it.
Yeah.
Hold enough water to drown them. I'll message you the other stuff. I think it's just one more thing, but I'll let you know.
Okay.
Thank you.
I love you.
Love you too.
Bye.